Good morning. It is Monday, June 8th. It's my mom's birthday today. It's really early, or I would have already called her, but she's not awake yet. Or if she is, she might be awake, but she's also getting ready for work like me. But while I'm getting ready, I'm eating my breakfast. I have some eggs and sausage. I've already eaten most of it, so I don't just eat that much. That's like ridiculous. Gotta fuel the body. Also, I don't like eggs. Yeah. Do you like eggs? She doesn't. No. She wants to eat everything on my plate, but she doesn't like eggs. I'm getting ready for work, and I thought I would update you. I think my last vlog was pretty short, and I don't think it went through the whole week. I think it only went to like maybe Thursday. Shh. I'm just going to try to get through this and hope for the best. So this weekend was not great eating wise. I had a lot to get done. I am currently working on 3 books for my author side of things. So I had a deadline today, so I wanted to get that done over the weekend, and everything was just like really busy and really crazy, so I ended up not eating that well. It also had a lot to do with the fact that I didn't plan ahead and I didn't go grocery shopping, so I didn't have any food left. Well, I mean, like I had some. I think I had like some fruit and stuff like that, but not really food. So I did not eat very well. I think I know I used all of my weekly points. I did track everything. I think I have like, I think I actually went down to like -2 or 3 weekly points. So that's not good. But it's a new week and a new day. So we're starting fresh, and I'm having my eggs for breakfast. Also, anyone that watches this that's like makeup person, you may want to skip this part because you're not going to be very happy with how I wear makeup. Nixie, shut up. I was thinking of like doing another channel just to kind of talk about like my writing, because I am a writer and I love talking about it. I talk about it with my coworkers all the time, and I probably drive them crazy. But I thought about that, and then I thought, why not just do it all on one channel, because it's like my life, but it wouldn't be like all writing, you know, and like, shush, hush, so that I can like look back and see everything that I've done and accomplished and all that, and not just weight loss, you know? I don't think I told y'all, I did join Diet Bet. So if you don't know what Diet Bet is, it's like, it's this, oh, well, that didn't help you. Here, I'll just show you. It looks like this. It's kind of hard to see with my background. Basically, you can bet, depending on what you join, they're usually as cheap as, I think, $5 or $10, and then they go up to like $50 to $100. But depending on which one you join, you bet your money. So like, say you do a Kickstarter. I think the Kickstarters are $10, and then you have 4 weeks to lose 4% of your weight, and then everyone that does that splits the pot. So my one I'm doing ends June 22nd. So I've got 2 more weeks, I believe, and 14 days left exactly. So 2 more weeks, and I'm at 64% to my goal. So over halfway. We're doing great. So, yay. this may or may not work. Yes, I am wearing a Hooter shirt. Ignore that. Today, yeah? You wanna come up here? So everyone can see your beautiful face. Today, we are going to find out, can Liz cook using this cookbook. I thought it would be fun to randomly cook recipes out of here and see how they turn out because, you know, fun stuff. But unfortunately, I forgot which one I was going to do. So I have to find it again. Oh, there it is. We're going to try these perfectly barbecued chicken breasts. So it has to sit for an hour or something. So we're going to start. It is 4:39, so we'll see how this works. Oh gosh. Oh, I could have used boneless. The recipe the ingredients say bone-in chicken breast, so that's what I got. But the instructions at the top says I could have used either, so I'm a little upset by that. I'm a little salty that I didn't read the whole thing. Really, it's my own fault, but whatever. I have bone-in chicken because we're doing it the right way. Number one, in a very large bowl. But I have this bowl, so, oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Cups of warm water, which may or may not be hot water, but whatever. Okay. Combine 8 cups of warm water and salt and whisk until salt dissolves. So I need half a cup of salt, of kosher salt. I have iodized salt. We're going to use iodized salt. This is so much salt. Come on. A half a cup. I'm supposed to whisk this. Do I have a whisk? Oh, I do. I own a whisk. I'm more surprised than you are. Whisk until dissolved. Okay. We are whisking. Is it dissolved? How do you know? Oh, it's not. Dissolving? Oh, it's dissolving. Okay. Okay. I was a little worried. 4 skinless bone-in chicken breasts, halved crosswise. Well, I've got split chicken breasts, but I only think there's 2. Why would you need 4? I mean, that's so huge. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. So I always have to prepare myself to touch the chicken. Once I've touched it, it's fine, I guess. But I have to prepare myself to touch it the first time because it definitely grosses me out. This is making me anxious. I want to go back to the store and get boneless now. Okay. How do you eat it if there's bones? I don't understand the concept of, like, you can't eat the bone. So why put the bone in? Like, why leave the bone in the, what does crosswise mean? Halved crosswise. I'm assuming that it's already halved. So I really think I just stick it in the brine. I really think that's all I do. Cover and put in the fridge for 1 hour. Where's my start? 1 hour. All right. Gas grill. We're not grilling the chicken. I probably should have read this all the way. Our chicken will be put in the oven. Cutting board. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Is that bone? No. That's just like, oh, okay. I don't know anything about chicken. I just want to... Hey, that actually did something. Next time, we will not be getting bone-in chicken. Just so we are clear. Hey, our oven's preheated. The chicken is patted dry. Pat, pat, pat. That's gross. Alrighty. This better be the best dang barbecue chicken I've ever had because I put a lot of effort. Just so we know. I do not own a brush, so we're gonna use a spoon and hope for the best. Can you see the steam? I don't think you can. The barbecue chicken. So, I'm not gonna eat all of this chicken. I just put it all on this plate because I don't know what to do with it. Okay. She's gonna make noise the whole time, but I'm gonna try my chicken. Yes, I brought the whole plate in here because I didn't feel like dirtying another plate to eat chicken, so. All right. Now I'm like nervous. Is it cooked all the way? Yeah, it looks good. All right. Here we go. I'm about to try a piece of the chicken. Okay, here we go. Got a little bite. It's a little overdone. Probably could have cooked a little less. And next time I'll get the honey barbecue sauce, but pretty good. I don't think it was worth the effort of taking all the bone off though. So next time we'll be getting boneless chicken. All right. Doing great. This was an episode of Can Liz Cook? The answer is still debatable. So, guess we'll have to try again. Do you think I can cook? She says I can. Hello. We're not doing this right now. It is. Pretty much. Good morning. Nixie, shh.